The golden hour starts to fade. A velvet sky begins to shade. The setting sun paints the town as peace quietly settles down. Hovering above the silent streets where the earth and heaven gently meet. Watch the stars awake on the ground. The city lights glowing all around. A majestic silhouette in the night. Jiwell bathing in the silver light. Every window tells a story untold. A beautiful canvas made of gold, drifting slowly through the twilight gleam, flying inside a waking dream. Watch the stars awake on the ground. City lights glowing all around. A majestic silhouette in the night. Jiwell bathing in the silver light. Time stands still in this vast space. A perfect rhythm, a perfect grace. Hold this moment forever clear. The finest view is standing here, fading into the velvet sky. A graceful flight, a quiet goodbye. just begun.